Hello, dear students. This is the teacher Emiliana Hernandez. I'm the teacher that was assigned for this course that is called Psycholinguistics. Welcome to the course. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it because it has to do with so interesting topics, interesting matters that we as language teachers need to know. First of all, I'm going to give you like a quick trip along the course components and also the virtual room. Remember that in this zone, the communication zone, you can find messages which are not only from this subject but also from the academic program and from the university. So it is important you visit here and you consult it daily so that you get accounted on the new information. In the icon, in the blue icon, it is the course overview. And here you have the analytic program. So it is like the chart of the course. So you have to consult here the objectives of the course, the methodology, the learning strategies, dates, and so on and so forth. Also in this section, you have the question guide in this course and also the video that you are watching in this moment. And there is also some information about the teacher. In the next section, the green one, it is for the schedule of online sessions. As you can see, we have 4 sessions that will take place on Saturdays. Here you have the dates and also the topics to be studied in each one of the sessions and the corresponding links to get connected. Remember that because of the pandemic, we still continue working in a virtual modality. There are also 2 additional sessions that have been scheduled for Tuesday evenings. So for now we have 2 sessions, but if there is a need of adding more sessions, then we can add other sessions. In the next subsection, you have a chart, and in here you will consult the links of the video recordings. Just in case you cannot attend, you cannot get connected to any of the sessions, here you will have the video recording so that you watch it and know what was work in each one of the sessions. Later, we have the next session that is the orange one. In here, you have the learning strategies. And so for this course, we have 3 learning strategies. The first one starts in August the 1st and finishes on September the 15th. The second learning strategy starts on September 15 and ends on October the 30th. And the last one, it is on November the 1st and ends on November the 30th. Well, about the learning strategies, it is important that you first consult the learning guide or the learning route. And here in this document that you can print it, you have all the description on how the course is going on. So first of all, it is important that these stages that you have described here are also in the virtual room. There is a subsection within each learning strategy that is called Explore and Study, the second section that is Share and Consolidate, and the last one that is Assess and Evaluate. In the subsection that is called Explore and Study, you have the resources for studying and exploring. You have some videos, readings, and also resources that provide you with knowledge about the topics that are to be studied in each one of the learning strategies. In the consolidation and sharing section, you have a forum, an academic forum. Then you can participate and present your perceptions and concepts about the understanding you have got in the previous session. And finally, in the section of assessing and evaluating, you have the evaluative activities. In this part, you have the assignments, quizzes, and tests that will be counting for the grade of the course. So here there is like a diagram of the things that I have already presented. It is also important that you consider that for the evaluation process, you have some distribution of percentages. so that you can have the final grade. In the learning strategy one, you have one activity that is an assignment for the 20%. In the learning strategy two, you have two activities that count for evaluation. One is a presentation that you will be doing in groups, that is for the 20%, and also an online test that is for 15%. In the third learning strategy, you have a report on an observation task that you start doing in the first assignment, but you continue doing during the whole semester. And in the last strategy, you have to present oral and written reports on that observation task. That will be for 20%, the written part, and the oral part for the 5%. There is an integrative test also that is for the 20%. Well, and here there is also additional information about the evaluative activities, but in the virtual room, you will have the specification of all the instructions to do every evaluative activity or assignment. So read them carefully and please send them within the times established to do so. Well, that's all what I have to tell you for now. Just tell you that it is important you get committed, that you plan your study hours, your work, that start reading the resources so that you can have information to prepare your assignments and have a good performance. I hope you attend to your online sessions and you participate actively so that we can construct knowledge together and you can share important information about the psycholinguistic issues. I'll be pendant of the virtual room messaging box and also the institutional mail for any question of doubts that you might have. I wish you the best. So enjoy this course. Bye.